She's not white. Why are you having a bonnet?
I'm ginger.
A woman who fears the Lord is to be praised. We keep receiving blessings. Welcome to V-La-Nessa. World, it's your girl. Lifestyle flaws about her day. She's sweet as pearls. It's your girl. Inspire you in every way. Welcome to V-La-Nessa.
Guys, welcome to a new vlog. Today is Sunday, and since my birthday I feel so positive, like I feel so good, and like nothing now bother me anymore. Yeah, I feel like there is greater things to come, and I am hopeful. And I just want to start off the vlog today and be intentional this week, because I have not been giving you like proper vlogs the past two vlogs. Just want to start off the vlog on a positive note, letting you know that I am so grateful to be here, grateful to be alive, you know, grateful for everything that's happening. And guys, guess what? Today I am dressed all professional. Like normally would I wear like jeans, black jeans, but today I'm wearing like this dress pants because I was selected to be in my company photo album for years to come. Yeah, I am going to be here for years. Even though I'm not going to be here, I'm going to be here for years and years and years and years and years again, as a reference to how you should dress. yes. So that is exciting. So yesterday the manager said to the other manager, that is the bigger manager, said to the smaller manager to take a picture because they want me to use as a reference. And I was like, no, yesterday I never feel like say I was picture worthy. Not saying that I did look bad or anything. I just like it wasn't looking professional, you know. And if you're gonna do something, do it good and done. So yesterday I not even have on black socks. I didn't have on green socks, and I had on this quarter pants, and it just never look professional. If they're gonna use me as a reference, I want to look good. I don't want any judgment, even though people are always judging anyway. So yeah. Anyway, thank you for coming back to my vlog, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe, turn on the post notification, and tell a friend to tell another friend to tell another friend to come over here. So because over here so we share good things, over here so we big up God, over here so we're real. Okay, I was thinking that I was gonna go to the movies tomorrow night, like how I always do on Monday. Well, the 2 times that I go movies, I'm gonna go tomorrow night. But I was planning to ask Jody if she wanna tag along. I don't know, or maybe ask Abby if she wanna tag along. But what I really like Jody to come still, because you know Jody have the vibes. So I'm gonna ask her today and see if she wanna come tomorrow night. Probably it's gonna be rough for her because she has to work in the morning, but I'm gonna try anyway. I'll cover that for her and go to the movie, enjoy yourself. And the Tuesday I want to see if I can do the video and for Nessa, edit it and so forth. But I want to see if I can go on the road too, because for the most part whenever I'm home, the Uber is here, so I don't have to go. For the most part whenever I'm home, I mostly waste my time. So, it's not the Uber. I mostly waste my time. A man go for one coffee down at the place. I say, cheap. Before you have coffee, I didn't go for coffee at the free place. The clubhouse. Like, a man literally walk, go for coffee at the clubhouse, because they give you the coffee for free. Since I ain't buy coffee, my 30 people drink coffee. Like the only time I drink coffee or snacks from there is like when I go there. I'm not gonna like blatantly just get up and go over there because I want a cup of coffee. See woman here, the woman pass when I come back, cause me I never she.
We got to look at the pool and the overflow. We got just got on going.
Oh, because I was wondering, like, this look like my Uber driver, but okay.
Yeah. No, like, so you see where the waterfall at the pool was?
Mm-hmm.
I never noticed it. I got to look at it and I got mesmerized for a second.
Oh. Moonwhite. Look at her going above and beyond. Look at Jody going above and beyond.
Yeah, so I noticed today that it was a little bit dirty, and it's been like that since I got here. So one thing about me, I make change, and so I decided to change this. Vote Jody.
Vote Jody. We just get emotional just a while ago. You wouldn't even understand how passionate I am with this YouTube thing. Like every time I try something and I feel like it fail, or I get something and I feel like never worth it, like I feel defeating. Because I'm here thinking now, what can I do to make it better, to make my editing skills better? Because I bought a tablet thinking that the same software that I use on my laptop, I could use it on the tablet, not realizing that a tablet is basically a big phone. I know what to use on the computer, you cannot use it on the tablet. Even though I have a 1 terabyte and I spent over $1,000 for the tablet, and I'm like thinking if I should return the tablet and try to get a MacBook. And I'm not an Apple fan. I'm not an Apple fan, but the thing is, Apple have a good editing software, which is Final Cut, and I believe like if I get that, I can master like my editing. Like it's not bad right now, but the things that I want to do, I just can't do it with the tablet because I'm using CapCut for the most part, and CapCut is basically a free edition, and even if I get the paid version, I need a laptop to do that. So it's kind of stressing. Not only that, I'm thinking about buying another camera. Now I do have the Pocket 2, which is really good, right? And I can't wait for the 3 to come out so that I can upgrade that, or probably sell that and then buy the other one. But I'm thinking about to buy like the Sony Z1F1, something like that camera, because I like it. Like the depths of field and everything is good, and it just makes a thing look more cinematic. So that's what I'm thinking about. Guys, I should be thinking about something else, and I'm here thinking about YouTube. Like, I know I'm gonna reach where I'm supposed to come and get the views I'm supposed to, when I think, but could I get or whatever, but my thing is that I'm not giving good content like how other people is giving good content, and I work almost every day. So for me to like sit down and edit properly and do good research and do a lot of content is kind of hard, but I'm trying, you understand? And I just feel like one day, I feel like one day, you know, so I feel like one day all of this I go pay off, and that is why I keep going. And it's not even all about getting paid off. It's about, you know, reaching those who need to be reached, because when I started there was nothing, as I said before, nothing about J1 or H-2B on the internet. There was nothing. Now there's enough, right? Because people realize that they can get views and everything. So that is that. But I don't know. Can you help me? Tell me what I'm supposed to do. Do you think I should send back the tablet and get a MacBook? Because I really need to up this thing. I'm really, and the thing is, the tablet, the MacBook is lightweight, right? And I would dedicate it solely just for editing. So I don't know. Anyway, on different topic, I'm going to the movies tonight. Jody and I are going. We invited Abby, but Abby said she's not sure yet. But I bought the ticket for me and Jody because I invite her. So you know, something like that. And she's so excited, like she really want to go. So what we're going to do, we're going to leave from work and go straight to the movies. The movie is at 8 and we're going to watch a horror movie. I wanted to watch Creator, but she said no, she wants to watch the scary movie because she live alone and she don't really get time to watch a scary movie because she's scared, and now that she have company, she would want to watch the scary movie. I think it's called Exorcist. Listen, yeah. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm excited. Tomorrow is my day off, and I really need to plan my video for V-La-Nessa. I have a whole outline of what I want to post, but I need to get my notes together so that I can come clearly and not just baffle. You understand? So that is that. It is getting cold, guys. For the last 3 days, I've been wearing like a jacket. It's getting super cold. Like even in the house, the AC is on, right? And it was stuck at 75, right? And now it gone below 75 and the AC never turned on because the house just too cold. It is 72 degrees, you understand? So yeah, but I feel good. As I said yesterday, I feel good within myself and I feel positive. Like, I'm not secure nothing yet as it relates to extension, but I still feel good. I feel secure that even if I'm going back to Jamaica, I'll be alright still, and I will come back again. But I don't know if I'm going to get the extension because I have up until December 31st. Many people end date is like the 31st of October. Mine is December 31st, so I have enough time and less competition around that. I just need to be more proactive as it relates to applying for jobs. But my thing is that I really wanted to stay here because I just can't bother with the move up and down. Summer now, we move. You get me, I say? Like, I have too much stuff right now. Anyway, the Uber is about to come, but I just feel like I wanted to update you and tell you how I feel. Yeah. So that is that. Like, I want to know what you think about the whole, like, every time we come on here, it's always something related to trying to make the channel better.
We're going to the movies. Cause I got a sugar mama. This is my new sugar mama.
Really, dude?
Yeah. She making me drive.
Yeah, duh. If I have to pay for the movies, then you have to chauffeur me, duh. Yes, guys. So we're going to the movies. My treat. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not. Let me tell you. No, wait. Let me tell you exactly what happened. Right? I didn't want to go alone, so I used her.
That is so rude.
Yeah, I don't want to go alone, so I'm using her. And then we're gonna go to the mountains one of these days.
Oh yeah.
We should actually do it Wednesday.
We are doing it, not this.
This Wednesday, next Wednesday.
We can't do it next Wednesday because of your schedule.
Yeah.
My car. Hi, you
I cannot do it because the music is on and it's gonna be copyrighted. But I'm just looking at this. It's actually nice. It is bright. Look.
You're telling me to look while I'm driving? You want me to crash? You should edit sounds like that.
I just don't have time to like do some proper edits because I have to be thinking about my housework. I have to think about
Your
doing
housework.
other, as in like cleaning and washing and cooking and those
Oh yeah,
stuff.
because nobody else cleans.
Exactly. So to edit, I just have to bitch up sometimes and hey, take it.
That's crazy. How dirty are they? Oh, I know where I'm at now.
Anyway, guys, remember that video that I did last week? And I did the review. Well, not really the review. I did the unboxing
Are
on
you too hot?
on the tripod thing. This is it. The place is completely dark, and the light is doing good. Right? Look at that.
Oh my god, that is so bright.
It's good. So you guys need to go into the description box and purchase this light. It's good if you want to like do vlogging in the night and so forth. Look at that, dark as night.
How it holds your phone. Where'd you get it off of?
Amazon.
Amazon. How much?
Anyway, we're on our way to the movies. We're gonna have a jolly time. And what's her name? Jody picked the movie.
I did.
A scary movie.
Yeah, because I wanted to go see The Nun. Like, I was planning on going and seeing The Nun because somebody told me to, but I didn't want to go back by myself. And then you're talking about, let's go to the movies. I was like, yes, let's go watch Nun. She talking about, I already watched it.
You know that one friend that you said, oh, have you seen the movie? No, let's go and see the movie. I watched it already.
Yes,
I watched
you.
it already.
That's you
or
right
if you
now.
send a meme and you send it to someone, oh, I saw that one.
Yeah. Okay, girl, we get it. You're on your phone a lot. Like,
yeah, but I did take myself out to see the movie.
did you?
Yeah.
Start inviting me. I'm gonna start inviting new places because I have no friends in this area, even though I live here. She don't even live over here.
Who's she?
You.
Oh.
Well, you live right now, you do, but like.
But yeah, I would definitely go to the mountains because well, it's cold now.
So
I would have
that's
to
the
buy a
perfect
thermal
time.
Suit. That's what it's called, right?
Because that's when you go pick the apples. They have warm donuts. You'll see, guys. You'll see. I'm forcing her to hang out with my dog too.
Ew. I don't mind the dog, but it's just the whole thought of him.
He won't be in your face. He'll just be excited
Imagine,
at first.
no, imagine the dog at
He
the
might
back.
jump on you.
Imagine the dog, exactly. Imagine the dog in the back of the seat. And I can't go nowhere. I'm like, keep it honest. Guys, guess what? We're signing off. See you later. You actually look good.
Yeah.
You really have on the bonnet. Why?
Yeah, because
Because what?
having my head, this heavy hair in a bun all
She's
day.
black, guys. She's not white. Why are you having a
I'm
bonnet?
ginger.
You're ginger.
Y'all want to see what my? No, I'm not even gonna show y'all. No, I'm cozy. I'm ready to get cozy and watch a
You
movie.
didn't even bring a blanket.
I forgot. You didn't bring a blanket.
I don't drive. I was relying on your dog blanket. Guys, Jody's such a vibe. He's such a vibe. I'm glad that I got this time to let's come out and unwind. Today the rain was falling and we literally broke the gun. Like we were leaving so early today, and at the last minute when we were just about to say yeah bye, the gun broke, and so the water was spilling everywhere. Like I told them that there's a ghost there and there's a ghost at Boris, and hey, we are so rich. We booked out. we booked out the whole thing.
Do not play with those.
Yeah.
If you can't afford the whole section, the whole club, don't come this
Exactly.
way.
Why are you living? Like, why are you living? Like, we have proof. We have the whole theater for ourselves.
That's what that do to you.
Yeah. And to show you, we have put your money where your mouth is. Look.
Into the house of exorcism. A new motion picture. Such a
Not that.
unusual subject matter.
This our
that we
section right
capture
here.
scenes from the picture
The
in this
best.
cover
Yes.
attraction announcement. You see,
And we're so bougie that we have to get the reclining seat, and then
you see
our
this?
servers to
Look,
come
look.
and somebody just go. Look, I did that before them go.
no longer her own. You've heard and read about it.
Where you going up? Where you see that?
You see my
The motion
single
picture
back?
of such
Look at my
dramatic
legs, they're about to go up in the
magnitude that all
air.
others pale by comparison. So get a
Anyway,
good grip on your cock.
We'll catch you on the other side.
And oh yes,
If we survive
do
this
not
movie.
come
Yeah, I'm a
alone,
little scared,
because
y'all.
we cannot guarantee.
I don't even like
that you
scary
can
movies, for
stomach
real,
what you
but I like
see.
watching them because I like
We do
really
know
guess
that
You sleep.
have never
You live
seen
alone, right?
any
Yeah.
I hope
motion
you
picture
survive the night.
Like the house.
I have my dog for a reason.
It is for this reason that we must issue
Anyways,
this urgent warning.
catch you later on.
Ow!
The body in the blood. Blood of Jesus. The body in the blood. 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 The body in the blood.
So today is the first day of my day off, and I am behind schedule. Because every Monday night I would come home and wash, and I went to the movies last night. You all saw that I went to the movies last night, Jody and I, and the movie never all that. It never scary. It just never made no sense. The ending, like I wish I went and watch what I really wanted to watch, which is The Creator. It wasn't all that. I give it probably a 5.5. That is my rating, 5.5. But I'm here now. I think I'm going to cook ackee and because the other day I cook it and I just fall in love, like I just love it. Like listen, yeah, we love it and we feel like I'm gonna cook that today. And also there's someone washing, so now that slow me down even more, and them have one more load for wash. So we have to go wait. We have 2 loads, we have to sheet them and everything to wash. And you're probably saying me not have no packages sweet though. I lie. I have one package. And it's nothing really, it's just the hair, because I want to do my hair. I'm gonna go live and do my hair. You know, because the thing is, I realize that if I'm doing something like sitting down for a while, I thought I'm gonna go live. So I use one stone kill two birds. So I do my hair and I'll go live same time. So about hair, nothing too fancy. Nothing too fancy. It's just you remember the hair that I did for when I went to what I call it, Disney World? Yeah, that's it. That's right to do it. It's gonna be short and quick. Now I'm gonna take the whole day. It's gonna be cute. Yeah. So I'm gonna do that. I washed my hair last week, so I'm gonna now wash it this week again. I'm going to do the elastic method because it stay longer with the elastic. Because you know it would be a twisting. So I'm gonna do the elastic method. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pull out the corner one by one and put in the elastic and do that. Yeah. So just want to come in and check in with you, let you know that I wanted to go out and do something, but I need to do my hair. Not only that, I need to do the research for the sorry Nessa, because I need to release a video, because next week going to look very sticky. I may have to just take off one of the video them from this channel and put it over there, because I only have one day off next week. I have one day off next week and I have to get the vlogs out. So it's either or. So it's either I get one of the vlogs out or I get the video out and don't put a vlog. So I have to be very strategic. Not only that, the thing is I have 3 mornings, so I have the evening off. So I can do an edit. I can do research one day and then edit the next day. So I think can do it. I think I can do it. But just in case, I just want to let you guys know, say, I only have one day off next week, and I think the week after that now, Jody and I is going to go to one of those mountains. It is starting to get very cold. Last night was really cold, like I was literally shivering. But yeah, so I just want to come in and just say, well, go on, big up on yourself. And guys, I just love Uno, very supportive. Like, I don't care if I just 10 person and the 10 person I want to support it. Because last week I released a video and I was like, I was never going to post this because I never feel like it was post worthy. Like, there was nothing in it. Like, I never come to and sit down and talk. Like, you understand? At least, even if me not go out and a vlog, at least me come here and I talk and I tell you things. I introduce the day tune and whatever. I wasn't doing that last week. And you guys was like, you like the video short and spicy and all this. Like, big up on a nice clean self. Big up on a nice clean self. And yesterday I shared my frustration about my editing software. Like, I am thinking if I should just sell my tablet, which I love the tablet, but it's just come like a one big phone. I thought that when I got the tablet, I could have downloaded like the Filmora. Yes, I use Filmora and I can use Filmora on it, but it's the phone version. I want the most pro version because I bought a lifeline of Filmora. Not only that, if I had like something like Final Cut or Premiere Pro, you know, would I get more videos tuned properly? And I feel like I'm gonna buy like maybe a refurbished MacBook Pro or here or something, and I solely use it for editing. I don't know. Let me know. Like, let me know. Cause I love the tablet and on, and I love the ecosystem that I have. Or probably I should. And the thing is, I was thinking about buying a Galaxy Book, but then Premiere Pro is a yearly subscription. With Final Cut, I can buy it one time, and that is why I think that I want to buy a MacBook, even though I'm not an Apple fan. But I understand. And then I'm thinking about getting the thing, transferring all my files over to the MacBook. It's gonna be a little bit difficult, but I think it can work because I have this, and with this is like a USB hub, so it have the SD card slots, the big one and the small one, the micro one. So I think it can work. Like, let me know what you think. Give me an input, because I really want to up this thing. And I'm also thinking about getting a camera. Like, I don't know, it's like, I don't reach when I feel like if I reach. Yeah, I'm gonna say, I don't feel like I'm giving the best quality that I'm supposed to have given. Like, this is my phone now, but it's not always I want to film on my phone. My pocket too, I think I want to use that for like, except for instance, I'm going on the mountain, I want something lightweighted. But like a vlogger, I think like a Sony C10 or whatever, Z1 or F1 or whatever I want name, would be perfect for vlogging. Like, but then it's, I don't know, me have my T7i, Canon T7i camera, but it's too big. But I feel like I can use that for like photography and all those stuff. Like, I don't know, let me know what I think, guys. But I'm gonna go and make breakfast, and then after I do breakfast, I'm going to go on the live and do my hair. Yeah. Hey guys, so I am walking to the mailbox because my sister sent some product from her business, and she actually sent it from England, and I'm just gonna check if it's there because sometimes the mailman would leave stuff in the mailbox instead of putting it at the door, and because it's a small package it can hold in the mailbox. So I'm just gonna check the mailbox, and also I just want to stretch my legs. It is kind of cool. Well, it is cool, not kind of. It's kind of, I like it. You can really feel that we're going into winter now. Last day of the day off, and I really didn't really do much more than go to the movie. And the reason for this is because next week I am going to work one day, so I have to get everything done this week. As I got the package from my sister. But just the have a feeling said it come, and the thing is, it's coming all the way from England. So I wanted to really track like how long it took so I can tell her. But the thing is, I never leave it at the door, and because I never leave it at the door, it was in the mailbox maybe for a while, and I don't know exactly when it got delivered. So that sucks. But I want to show you what I got from her. I actually bought it, and it was on discount. Yeah, so you guys can go and get your Nessa discount. Just put in Nessa and you'll get discount. Yeah, and it's in a purple package. Love that. And I'm excited because yeah, this is my own sister handcraft business item. Yeah, so you have to support those who are just coming up, you know, support. Yeah, so guys, please go on over and support my sister business. I'll drop the link in the description box so you can support her and let her know that V-La-Nessa send you. Yeah, she will be waiting. Hi. And then me have to end up carry some other package that is not mine. Anyway, I came out the house for this reason and actually got what I came out here for. So I'm just gonna call her and message her and let her know that I got the item. And yeah, I'm gonna review it before you. Yeah. The package coming in this purple thing, and let's open it. Look at that. And she actually put some stickers on it. Say thank you very much. Thank you. Just for you. Melanin popping. Black Queen. Like the stickers. And she also seal right here saying thank you. So that I know that it was sent directly to me and no one had spoiled it. So. And look in there, you have a note and box of stickers and scrunchie. And she said, beyond thankful. And she said, thank you, shop again. Yeah. And then, ooh, I got clips. I got this thing right here and a whole bunch of stickers. like with informative. I am sorry if you heard otherwise, but the truth is you are not at all difficult to love this. So yeah, these are the amount of Scrunchie I got, and I got it on the deal. So let me test it. Yes, so this one, you know, I love the texture, and it looks like a professional do it, and it looks good. Like even the connection right here. Now not many people know how to connect. Like how does she? Yeah, even the collection looks so neat and lovely. And look, you can even leave it on your hands. It's very firm, very nice. This one is silky. If you're more concerned about your hair and you want to use a silky one, you have this one. It doesn't stretch too far, so you don't have to worry about it stretching far. Love that. This red one, just in case you feel flirty. Yet again, and all of them is like they all have the same size. Like she measured them correctly. Like it's not uneven, if you understand. So you don't have them stretching more than one. Oh, and I got another clip. Oh wait, it's the same thing. No, I love this one. I don't know why I love this one. Yeah. So this is where it stops. So it's not too big. You understand? Oh, I have a small one. Wait, she had me not even know, so she have different size. Really? You have this small one where it would come like a scrunchie. It's like a big elastic band. I like this. So if I don't want like too much, I can put this around my hair. Oh, look at that. This is a lion printed one. Love that. So put it on and show you. This is a flowers one, and this is a pink, bright pink one. And then this one, this material is very thick. This one is a blue, like floral one. Yeah, so how much is this? I think I got 9 scrunchies. I can give them, I'm gonna give some people at work some. So this is what I got from my sister's store. All different colors, and I can choose whatever outfit I have with them. So right now I have on red. This one I think really much is this, even though it's kind of have, like, I think it really matches this. And look at it. Like look guys, look. Talk to my sister nice. Talk to her nice. Like talk to her like, look at that. Yeah. Like, look at that. And then I have the pin if I want to go like clip it. But no, I'm not into that fancy stuff. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give people at work that I like that. Look at this. Ooh, ooh, I like this. Hold on there. This comes with it, guy, as a little gift. Look at that. Oh my god. Yeah, so I'm just gonna give, like, I'm gonna give Abby maybe 2 and Jody 1. Like, give them as a gift. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. So anyway, that's it on this review. I really do like them. I do. And I just want to say, I think this one is like my favorite one because I like minimalistic things. Like, it's just so small and nice, and it's like basically the same thing, same material. Is it? Yeah, I think it's the same material. So I like this. Anyway, if you guys want scrunchies, you can go and check my sister page out. Yeah, it'll be in the description box down below. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah. So I just feel like I just need to come and talk to Nuffy a little bit because something wrong with my brain. I'm wanting to help me. Yeah, so you know, it's time for look extension, right? And honestly, I have not been doing what I should be doing because my thing is that I didn't want to leave here. I wanted to extend here, so I wasn't really actively searching for extension. So now I realized that these people they might take too long, so I'm gonna say, you know what? It better we try something else rather than being unsure. Even though my visa ends December 31st, I have enough time, so I wasn't doing what I was supposed to do. But as I said, they're taking too long to file their petition. So I'm saying, like, what if they decide not to? That mean I may have to go back to Jamaica. So I'm here now saying that I'm going to look extension. Everyone or every employer that I sent, oh, we are full for the season, check us back for next summer. Now I am saying, like, really? And then, not only that, even if the petition come through here, so I am here saying that I want another experience. Like, I feel like me get tired of right here, so now. Like, I feel like we just need to go explore somewhere else. But if you understand, like, I feel like I need to get into that adventure mode now where I should travel to somewhere else. And I know that it's going to be acrid. I know it's going to be expensive because I have so much stuff now. And to ship them off ahead of time is going to cost a lot of money. But I don't know. I just feel like I just need to do some adventure and I feel like I need to do this extension. So guys, let me know what you think about that. But for now, I honestly have not I don't have any extension. If it come to the test, honestly, yes, I would go back to Jamaica and then come back up, which is not easy, and I don't recommend nobody to go back to Jamaica right now and try to come back up. But if that's what I'm gonna do to be in the safe, then that's what I'm going to do. Yeah, but I just want to know, what am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to push staying here or try find somewhere else? Even though I'm trying both, but even if this one comes true, no, I am more leaning on to go somewhere else. I don't know. Like, and then not only that, if I stay here, I feel like I'm going to rent somewhere because my roommate is going to leave. That means I'm going to get a new roommate. And if I do get a new roommate, it means not to be a very cleansy roommate. You understand? So, I don't know. I was thinking about all of that. Not only that, if I tell them that I would pay extra for the space that I'm in, because right now I'm paying $500 for per month. If I pay extra, that would be $1,000. Might as well I rent somewhere else and put on an extra money on it. Then I will have like a living room, a kitchen for myself, a bathroom for myself, and a bedroom for myself, which will be more worth it than renting a bedroom and still sharing and going through the stress and struggles of the apartment. So that is what I'm thinking. If I do get extend my stay here, then I'm going to get an apartment because I can't do it. I honestly can't do it. Like right yesterday, like you guys should be proud of me. And it may sounds bad, or sounds bad because on this day off, I decided that I'm just gonna focus on me. I don't care about nothing. If they have stuff in the kitchen and they don't want to move it, that's on them. Like I went in the kitchen and there's two pizza box empty. All I did was remove it from the kitchen counter and put it in the living room. I didn't dispose of it. Like I'm not emptying any bin because I don't feel like I'm the only one here. You understand? I didn't vacuum. I didn't clean your bathroom. Like, it's irritating me. But I'm just looking for further. And as I said, if I do get my extension here, I am going to find my own apartment. Matter of fact, if I go anywhere else, I want to see if I'm going to find my own. If I can find my own apartment. No, if I go somewhere where I get my own room myself, then that's fine. Understand? But for now, I'm looking independency. Yeah, so yeah. And guys, you like my hair? Yeah, I did that. Guys, I'm just loving this hairdo. I love the hairdo. Yeah. Like, it come like every week they change my hairstyle. They must wonder, like, you see black people every day when they're changing the hairstyle and they can't keep on hairstyle. And then the white folks them just bun them hair. Like me wish my me still like that. But you could have just bun me hair and just go on a business. But if me here, It just too nappy, and if it did probably more curly or looser curl, then I would just sketch it up and go. But my hair too nappy. It's the reason why I have to do my hair every week. But I love in this too. I always like the long one, but what I realized with the long one, I can't style it freely like how I normally style it. I normally just have to just let it down, and sometimes I just can't bother with the whole thing on my body. And not only that, when I go to the bathroom every minute I have to be, holding it. Yeah. But this is so cute, and I can drop down to style it. Yeah. Anyway, waiting on the Uber, and I'm just trying to put in some last final clip into the vlog because tomorrow is the last day of me vlogging, and then Saturday I'm gonna take a break because I'm posting the video Saturday. So normally on Saturdays I take a break just to charge up back. Yeah. But today I'm gonna ask Jody what she thought about the movie. Honestly, I never really liked it. I think it never really made sense, and it just end just so. Because even when you go to the movie, sometimes when it end, it don't really end. But the one day it did end when it end. So yeah, I never like it. Like I wish I did watch the creator instead. But there you go. Maybe next week. And sorry I didn't do anything this week. It's just that next week I'm gonna work one day. I already expressed this day, and I just need to get things done this week. So yeah, that's the reason why we feel like we need to take on a new adventure so that we have more content.
I'm divorced. I'm divorced.
What are we talking about? She won't let me leave. She's in love with someone. She has a crush on someone, and she found out that he likes his meat dark, so she's divorced. Guys, it is Friday, and I just want to end off the vlog. I'm literally here editing the vlog, and I realized that I didn't close out the vlog properly, so I'm just closing it out. And I just want to say thank you for watching this video, and please to like, share, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your continuous support, and I'll see you next week. Bye.